Hi, I'm Charlie from Terra Firma Dining. Terra Firma Dining is an outdoor catering company, so we recreate our kitchen completely outdoor, cooking over the open flame wherever we go. The whole purpose of this style of catering is to bring people back to basics, get them together around the food and around the fire in the beautiful outdoors. Well, I think there's a challenge aspect that I really like. You always need to sort of compose with the element. You need to be one with nature, understand the forecast, understand what are the risks, understand how the fire works as well. Well, today we are in front of the ocean, so inspiration of the menu is, of course, goes seafood. So we're gonna cook first some scallops, half shells, straight in the coals with an olive butter, a bit of citrus, thyme. Very simple, but we're really gonna work with the fire and the smoke and just leave the fire do the work, really. For mains, we will have a beautiful red emperor, so it's a reef fish, firm flesh, absolutely delicious, probably one of the best eating fish in the ocean. And we simply marinate it in a little bit of a yuzu soy sauce marinade, and it's gonna go straight on the grill. On the side, we have some greens. So we've got a mix of kales, broccolini, spring onions. Spring onions gonna go straight in the coals. Just gonna char them really quickly. Well, what I love about cooking over fire is really to get back to basic, get back to this primal instinct of fire, food, and gathering. It's a long cooking process. I guess there is many quicker way to cook, but I think we are losing the connection that we can have living in a very sort of fast-paced environment, fast life, go, go, go. Just taking the time sometime to just enjoy the simple pleasures, being outdoor with friends and family, lighting a fire and just cooking the food. I think it's a great way to celebrate a good meal and a good time together.